Today we're going to show you how to download the Libby by Overdrive app using an iPad. So you can navigate to your app store. Next you're going to go and search and simply type in Libby. This first search that pops up, Libby by Overdrive, is a very accurate search term. There's not a whole lot of options, but you definitely want this Libby by Overdrive. So we're going to say get and open. So you're going to meet with a couple of welcome screens. Do you have a library card? Hopefully you do, so let's say yes. I'll search for my library. And our library is Monrovia, or you can type in the Monrovia zip code. And this is the one you want, Southern California Digital Library, Monrovia Public Library. But let's say that we're mostly going to read in Libby. So now we're going to want to sign in with our library card. You're going to want to select your public library. Again, we're going to be Monrovia Public Library. And then you're going to enter your card number. So let's type those in. Next is your PIN, and that's going to be your phone number that's associated with the card. No spaces, no punctuation at all. From here you can simply enter the library.